When the towers go dark, the people who stay calm aren't lucky. They're carrying gear nobody else thought to bring. Comment the one thing in your everyday carry you'd never leave home without. Number 1 isn't on your list. Subscribe now because all 25 are ranked and the gadget at number 1 still works when every network is already dead. Number 25 hides in a card slot but does the work of a toolbox. One sheet of heat-treated steel packs 18 jobs. Bottle opener, box cutter, hex wrenches, even a phone stand. For $15, you forget it's there until you're the only one holding a tool. Number 24 looks like a folded sandwich bag and weighs almost nothing, until the temperature drops and you're stuck outside. Climb in and the reflective lining traps up to 90% of your body heat, turning a dangerous night survivable. Waterproof, windproof, packs to a fist. Number 23 is the upgrade that quietly took over pockets everywhere. 2 plates of aircraft-grade aluminum clamp up to 12 cards and block every RFID skimmer trying to read them through your jeans. Slim, near-indestructible money clip built in, the rare EDC piece you'll use every single day. Number 22 turns a muddy puddle into something you can drink. The hollow fiber membrane strains out 99.999% of bacteria and parasites down to 0.2 of a micron. No batteries, no chemicals, no waiting. One straw filters up to 1,000 gallons. Number 21 costs less than lunch and is built for the worst 60 seconds. A submerged or burning car turns a stuck seatbelt and sealed window into a trap. This spring-loaded keychain cuts the belt and shatters the glass. You'll be glad it's on your keys. That's the warm-up. From here, it's the top 20, where this gear stops being just convenient and starts being what actually gets you out of trouble. Number 20 puts 700 lumens on your keyring, brighter than most phones dream of. 2 LEDs, USB-C charging, and a clip that bites onto a pocket, throwing light over 100 yards. The phone flashlight you've been settling for never stood a chance. Number 19 fixes 2 problems at once: jingling chaos and lost keys. It folds up to 14 keys into a slim tool, then adds a built-in LED and a tile tracker. Misplace them and your phone makes them ring. Lose your phone and a double press rings it back. Number 18 makes fire when lighters fail and matches turn to mush. Drag the striker down this thick ferro rod and it throws a shower of 5,000-degree sparks. Soaked, frozen, or at altitude, it doesn't care. Up to 15,000 strikes from a tool that fits in your palm. Number 17 is the blade bushcrafters hand to beginners and still carry themselves. A thick Scandinavian ground carbon steel edge batons through wood, carves feather sticks, and shrugs off abuse no folding knife survives. $25 buys a fixed blade that outperforms knives costing 4 times more. Number 16 weighs less than 2 slices of bread, but lights an entire campsite, hands-free. 400 lumens, 3 beam colors including a night vision saving red, and a USB-C charge that tops off in about an hour. The moment you need both hands in the dark, a headlamp stops being optional. Number 15 looks like a credit card, but it's hiding a tackle box and a toolkit. Punch out the pieces and you get fish hooks, arrowheads, snare locks, even saw blades, designed by Special Forces operators to replace pounds of gear with 10 grams of steel. It does nothing in your wallet and everything the day a trip goes sideways. Number 14 doesn't fight for you. It makes sure the whole street knows you need help. Pull the top and a 130 decibel siren screams while a strobe flashes, loud enough to rattle a parking garage and send an attacker running for anonymity. No app, no signal, no hesitation required. It's become standard carry for students, night shift nurses, and anyone walking to a car alone. Number 13 keeps your phone alive long after the wall outlets quit. 20,000 milliamp hours charge 3 devices at once, with wireless charging on top and a solar panel that sips power back from the sun when you're nowhere near a plug. Dual flashlights, a compass clip, and a waterproof, dustproof, shockproof shell built for abuse, the line between a dead phone and a working one. Number 12 writes like a normal pen and clips into a shirt pocket without a second glance, which is exactly the point. Machined from aircraft aluminum with a hardened pointed tip, it doubles as a glass breaker and a last resort defense tool that goes everywhere a blade can't. It's the gray man piece. Nobody looks twice, and you're never actually empty-handed. Number 11 is the one nobody wants to use and everybody should carry. A compact MOLLE pouch packed for the injuries that kill fast. Trauma dressing, clotting control, gloves, shears, and the tools to stop a serious bleed before help arrives. Straps to the go bag or belt you carry daily, waiting for the day it earns its place. Top 10. If even one of these has you rethinking your pockets, tap like. 1 second and it pushes this to more people who'd want it. Now it gets serious. Number 10 solves the problem every other power bank creates. Weight. A carbon fiber shell drops it to about 5 ounces, lighter than your phone, while still holding 10,000 milliamp hours and pushing 18-watt fast charging out 2 ports at once. Thru hikers obsess over this one because every gram counts, and dead electronics aren't an option miles from a trailhead. Number 9 is the Multitool other multi-tools apologize to. 18 tools lock into place. Pliers, replaceable wire cutters, 2 knives, a saw, scissors, and full-size drivers you can actually torque on. Built from stainless steel and back for 25 years, it's less a gadget than a toolbox that folds into your palm. The one tool that quietly handles 90% of everything. Number 8 looks like ordinary paracord until you cut it open. Inside the 620-pound outer sheath hide 3 lifesavers: a fishing line, a brass utility wire, and a wax tinder strand that catches a spark instantly. 100 feet of cord that's secretly 4 survival tools woven together. Lash a shelter, rig a snare, or start a fire from the same hank on your pack. Number 7 is the $25 Radio Preppers buy in pairs. When the cell network is overloaded or simply gone, this dual-band handheld still reaches for miles, talking, pulling in weather alerts, and scanning emergency channels nobody else can hear. There's a reason it's the unofficial backbone of off-grid communication. Learn it before you need it, and you're never truly cut off. Number 6 is the single piece of gear most likely to save a life. Maybe yours. The genuine combat application tourniquet stops catastrophic bleeding one-handed in seconds, which matters because severe bleeds can end in minutes, long before any ambulance arrives. Carried by militaries and trauma teams worldwide, this is the real thing. Buy genuine, learn to use it, and pray you never have to. Top 5. These don't just help, they change what's possible when everything else fails. Last call. Comment your guess for number 1 before the reveal. You're probably wrong. Number 5 starts flat as a pancake and inflates into a lantern that lights a whole tent. Squeeze the panel and 200 lumens glow for up to 50 hours, charged by the sun so it never asks for a battery or a plug. Then it flips the script and becomes a power bank, feeding your phone when the grid is down. Collapsible and waterproof, the kind of clever that feels like cheating during an outage. Number 4 is a lifeline disguised as a radio. When the power's out and the news goes silent, this pulls in AM, FM, and the NOAA band that broadcasts real emergency alerts, running on a hand crank or solar when the batteries die. But it hides more. A battery big enough to charge your phone, plus an SOS flashlight and beacon. 3 minutes of cranking buys light, information, and help, the box you keep by the door. Number 3 makes the dirtiest water on Earth drinkable in 8 seconds. Like a French press for survival. Fill the outer cup from a river, a puddle, even a questionable hotel tap, then press down. And in one push, it removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and the chemicals lesser filters leave behind. Most filters can't touch viruses. This one does. No pumping, no waiting, no tablets. 24 ounces of clean, safe water anywhere on the planet. Number 2 does something that still sounds impossible. It burns twigs to cook dinner and turns that same fire into electricity. A thermoelectric core converts heat into power, charging your phone straight off the flames, while a fan feeds the fire smoke-free. No gas, no canisters, just sticks off the ground. When the power may never come back, Endless fuel that also keeps your devices alive isn't a gadget, it's a power plant in your pack. 25 words, target 20 to 25. Remember the towers going dark? Number 1 is the gear that doesn't care. Last guess in the comments. This one works where nothing else can.
The number 1 tactical gadget every prepper carries is the Garmin inReach Mini 2. $250 and worth every cent. Reason 1. The surprise. It talks to satellites, not cell towers, so it sends two-way texts and works from anywhere on Earth. A deep canyon, the open ocean, the middle of nowhere, with zero signal. Reason 2. The practical. One button fires a global SOS that connects you to a 24/7 rescue center, which sends help to your exact coordinates. Reason 3. The one that matters. When the towers go dark and every other device here goes quiet, this still reaches the outside world. It isn't the flashiest gadget here. It's the one that brings you home. 25 gadgets, 1 truth. Being ready isn't about fear. It's about never being the person who wishes they'd packed better. Subscribe so you're ready before you need to be. Next list. The survival gear so effective it's quietly being banned. You don't want to miss that one.